Hi, I'm Ashley from Enact Solutions. We've been talking a lot lately about inclusive recruitment, and one of the traps that it's really easy for us to fall into is using biased language when it comes to talking about positions to fill. It can sound something like this.
We have a new position opening and we really need a good fit.
Somebody who's going to gel immediately and hit the ground running.
Exactly.
Sound familiar? It's all too easy to fall into the trap of using some of those terms. Things like a good fit for the team, gel straight away, hit the ground running. They all suggest that we already have a person or a type of person in mind for this job role, which is going to make it impossible for us to enter the recruitment process without biased underlying thoughts and feelings. However, if we're aware of this, it empowers us to be able to avoid it and have a truly inclusive recruitment process. And that's your learning into action moment for this week.